Listen and repeat everything you hear.
This is a pencil. These are pencils. This is a pen. These are pens. This is a book. These are books. This is a tape. These are tapes. This is a recorder. These are recorders. This is a chair. These are chairs. This is a table. These are tables. He's a student. They are students. She's a teacher. They are teachers. He's a barber. They are barbers. He's a doctor. They are doctors. He's a pilot. They are pilots. He's a mechanic. They're mechanics. She's a nurse. They're nurses.
You will hear the singular form. Then you record the plural form. Listen to these examples. I say, this is a pencil. You say,
these are pencils.
this is a pen.
These are pens.
Now you say the plural form. This is a book. This is a tape. This is a recorder. This is a chair. This is a table. He's a student. She's a teacher. He's a barber. He's a doctor. He's a pilot. He's a mechanic. She's a nurse.